Hey there, it's Anisha, and in today's video, I'm sharing with you how I made this DIY planter box. I started this project out with 1x6 cedar that I cut down to 4 pieces at 24 inches long, and then 2 additional pieces at 7¼ inches. So used 1x2 boards that I cut to 4 pieces at 30 inches and 4 pieces at 7½ inches. To assemble my box, I started out with 2 of the 24-inch cedar boards. I used a smaller piece to prop them up together, added some glue, and nailed them together using my electric brad nailer. After that was done, I flipped it over, added glue to the other side, and attached another 24-inch board to the other side. And from here you'll have like a U shape, and the box is almost complete. The next step is to add the 7¼ inch pieces to each side, again just using glue and nails. And once that is done, your box is complete. To assemble the legs, I'm starting with the 30-inch 1x2 boards and the 7½ inch 1x2 boards. I'm starting out by marking the placement of that smaller board because we're going to be attaching that to the top and bottom. So I'm just going along each piece and marking where that middle brace will go. This is where the box will rest at the top and the shelf will rest at the bottom. So once I have those lines marked, I'm just going to take those 7½ inch pieces and I'm going to attach them to the middle of the longer boards. And as I was building that frame together, I did start out with screws and then I later went back in with nails just for added strength. And when you're all done adding those middle supports to the top and bottom, this is what that should look like. And that is one leg down. You're going to repeat those exact steps for the other side. And just like that, I have my 2 legs done and my box is done and there's everything. Now it is time to secure the legs to the box. The first thing you're going to want to do is measure and mark where the legs will go. I positioned my legs 2 inches in from either side and then just drilled the holes that the screws will be added into later after it is painted. I took that fourth and final piece of long cedar that is the bottom shelf. I got that positioned where I wanted it to go and then drilled a couple holes. The next thing to do is paint. You can paint or stain or leave it plain if you'd like. And the final thing to do while your legs are drying is just drill a couple drainage holes in the bottom of your box. Once the legs are dry, you're just going to put everything together, attach the screws to hold the legs to the box and to the shelf, and that is it. The finished product should look something like this, and then you can accessorize it and decorate it how you like. Here's a picture of mine. I added a little welcome decal and some beautiful yellow flowers. So that is it for this project. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give the video a big thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you in another video. Bye.